How you feel?
I feel this cat's eyes. See?
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I'm enjoying it.
Wow.
I'm like it helicopter.
Wow.
I'm like it this.
Me, I'm scared. I'm
Don't-
scared.
Don't be scared. I'll sit down. I'll sit
Did
it.
you sit alone or your dad holding you?
It's holding my hands like this. And it's holding like this. My
Ah,
eyes is holding.
that's why you're not scared, right? Because you're not alone.
And the alone and this this.
That's good. That's good, Milan. You experienced to ride the helicopter. It's amazing. Yeah? You want to become a pilot someday?
Yes.
Wow. And you will buy helicopter?